Hey dolls and gents, I'm back. It's been a long AF day. Dolly fractured her freaking paw. Oh my gosh, y'all have to see. Look at the little baby. This is my first time dealing with like any sort of broken, like anything. I personally have never broke like an arm or anything, and neither of my two other dogs, Chuckles or Gizmo, have ever broken a paw or anything. So this girl, she just does the most. Don't you, girl? Don't you? So yeah, I have her sitting right here because I have to keep a close eye on her. I normally keep a close eye on her, but I mean, I have to watch her like a hawk now, okay? It is 4:41 in the morning, so if my eyes are red, I've literally been wearing these contacts all day. But I'm not gonna sit here and say what I've been doing all day, okay? Because I know y'all don't want to hear the excuses. Y'all just want to see me do my makeup, style my hair, whatever. So today we are doing a video on this hair. I curled this hair. I took it from its natural wavy state to these nice gorgeous curls. I did go ahead and install my wig that I created using Lumiere hair extensions. I know I'm rocking 3 bundles of their body wave hair plus a lace frontal. I'm not sure of the exact lengths, but I believe I'm wearing 24, 22, 20 plus an 18-inch lace frontal. If that's not correct, I'll leave the correct information in the description box down below for you guys. I will also leave a direct link to their hair store, so definitely check the description box for that. And if I have any coupon codes or deals for you guys, that will be in the description box as well. As you can see, this hair is super, super gorgeous. I did my traditional side swoop with just like gorgeous curls, and I love doing the curls with the hair like still wavy because it gives it a lot more body. I haven't even went in and separated these curls. I mean, you can do that if you want to, but it looks gorgeous like with the curls together too. And I mean, over time, these curls are just gonna get like bigger and bigger because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna rock this hair for a few days before I wash and restyle. So I've had these hair extensions for over a month now. I've been rocking them for over a month, and I wanted to give you my thoughts on the hair. I have had a little bit of shedding with the hair. I've also had a little bit of tangling with the hair. The luster of this hair is about a medium. It does have a like natural black tone to it, so it's very pretty. I did use the hair extensions and a frontal to create a custom wig. Per usual, y'all know I only wear wigs. I don't do the sew-ins or anything else. And I laid my wig today with got to be gel, and I also used a little bit of my Sebastian Shaper Plus hairspray, my blow dryer. If you want to see how I do that, I will leave a card up top. Be sure to go check that out. I have like several videos on that, so I just skipped that process today because y'all don't need to see me do that every time. By the way, if you like the outfit that I'm rocking today, it's so comfortable. It's actually a 2-piece. It comes with a long sleeve kind of sweater, cardigan shirt like this, as well as pants that also have the savage stripe down the side. Love this outfit. It is from Cause and Effect Clothing. They are a new clothing brand, so be sure to check them out. I will leave their information in the description box down below. So if you want to see how I styled this hair, how I did my deep swoop, as well as laid the baby hairs and quickly curled this hair, then y'all know what to do. Stay tuned, guys.
You wanna know how I got so dope, losing my control. Now you wanna know why I got so cold, got me feeling old. You wanna know how I got so dope, losing my control. Yeah. You wanna know why I got so cold, got me feeling old. Oh. Yeah. Late night, I'm going out We throwed up in my Benz like going 75. All my friends, yeah, they up, they living this life. See my mama happy now cause I just bought her this house. I'm balling it out, living this life, I'm beating this hype. Ooh, I'm flexing with my doobie in my pool. Smoking on that shit, it makes me cool. Drinking that tequila make cool. You wanna know how I got so dope, losing my control. Yeah. Now you wanna know why I got so cold, got me feeling old. You wanna know how I got so dope, losing my control. Yeah. You wanna know why I got so cold, got me feeling old. Oh, yeah. I'm living this life, I'm feeling this hype, I'm doing it right, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm living this life, I'm feeling this hype, I'm doing it right, yeah. Whoa, I'm living this life, I'm feeling this hype, I'm doing it right, yeah. Oh, living this life, feeling this hype, doing it right, yeah. Yeah. You was wrong, I was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah. I think that I might just ball out now. Yeah, just ball out. You was wrong, I was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah. I think that I might ball out now. Yeah, just ball right now. Oh wow, you be calling on a weekend. I woke up like what's up on the streets and kept the bag in my pocket like a rollie. Yeah, I go slowly, but only when I pretend. All these people growing up, they wanna be us. Yeah, got me tripping like a Prius. I don't even know a lot of people selling pizzas these days. Check up for the sound of these waves. Yeah, you was wrong, I was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah. I think that I might just ball out now. Yeah, just ball out. You was wrong, I was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah. I think that I might just ball out now. Yeah, just ball right now. Ball right now. Ball right now. Think that I might just ball right now. Ball right now. Ball out.
If you want to see more hair tutorials on my channel, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And before you leave, don't forget to check the description box to check out Lumiere Hair Brazilian. I will have a link to their website in the description box down below. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I will be sure to catch you all in my next one. Bye. Have you checked out my last video? If you haven't, you need to check out this colorful. I mean, it's super colorful. I did bold eyes, I did bold lips. You know, that's not what your girl does. What am I rocking today? I'm rocking like some neutral stuff. And I will have a tutorial coming for this look if y'all want to see that. Definitely let me know in the comments down below. But before you even do that, go check out my last video.